May bago na namang laruan yung alaga ko. Yun yung rope challenge. Kumbaga, ito yun. Parang gagawin niya lang yung mga panali na parang kasing gulo ng ganito. Tapos siguro, yung dalawang players. Isn't it the 2 players, your turn and then alternate? Huh?
No.
Or only you're alone and then you're the one who need to solve the puzzle like that?
When you solve the puzzle.
Oh, same like you're the one who make it and then I'm the one who need to solve the puzzle?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So it's very challenging.
Yes.
How many holes does one have? Ito guys, ay nakakapagbigay daw ng exercise your mind. Tapos, oh my God. Ano pa to? Hand-eye coordination, parent-child interaction, and fun cultivation. Multiple gameplay option waiting for you to unlock it. Oh, see? Ang galing, no? Galing to sa school nila. Binigay lang. This one your teacher give it to you?
Yes.
Only this morning?
Yes.
Oh. But this one is 3+ age. You are older. So this one is very easy for you.
Yes.
Oh my God. How come they give you the 3+ only? Ganyan siya guys sa likod. May instruction naman siya kung paano gawin.
We are newbies.
Newbies? You?
Yes.
But this one I really saw it in the games in the mobile.
Really?
Yes, I saw it. This one, but I didn't download it. But it's really good.